Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to block every ad in Google Chrome. First, open Google Chrome and go to Chrome Web Store. After entering, just search for ad blockers. Just choose any ad blocker. Make sure it's trusted by many users. As you can see, it has pretty good rating and many users worldwide. Click on Add to Chrome and click on Add Extension. After installation, just follow the setup prompt and you will successfully block every ad in Google Chrome. We just blocked ads in Google Chrome by installing a reliable ad blocker extension from the web store, which removes ads automatically. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial videos.